hot. Welcome to day 3. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Matt Pinella from MattBangsWood. We are doing our 7 Days of Christmas giveaways where we're hooking you guys up with some prize packs for December. Holidays can be stressful at times, so I'm doing my part to give back to you guys. I've got 7 awesome prize packs to give out to you guys, and if you want to enter days 1 and 2, click the iCard in the top right hand corner. But today, we've got these 2 awesome packages. Chances are you can guess what this one up here on the top is. Chances are you have no clue what's on the bottom. We'll go ahead and start with the first one. My wife did not wrap that to where I could do what I thought I was going to be able to do. I pictured me like sliding the thing out and then catching it. No. Oh, she taped it. Alright, you have seen their levels on my channel before. You are getting a 24-inch Big Red box beam level. These things are really, really nice. These are perfect for setting windows as well. Their quality is top notch. In case you guys haven't already seen this, their vials are pretty sweet. Instead of just having 2 lines, they've actually got dark spot there to where the bubble in the middle is super visible. Keeson and Sola are by far my favorite levels to have around on site. And this Big Red is perfect to add to any of your guys' collections. Now we've got this big thing. Oh, I'm getting a phone call. So this is awesome. I wanted to share this real quick. I just got an Instagram message. Day 1 is already up. A fellow named William, who comments on our YouTube videos from time to time, messaged me and said, "Super cool, dude. Just watched the video for you giving back. That's rad." We're kind of doing the same thing this year, me and my partner at work. We're filling up a bunch of envelopes with anything from $20 to $250, all random, and passing them out to guys on the job site. That is such a rad idea. I would be stoked to open an envelope and find $200 cash. Had to read that out though. I am all about giving back, and stories like that are awesome to read. Let's open this big box. So you guys know, you might not know, I actually don't drink coffee. Not all that much. I do drink hot chocolate and a bunch of other stuff, partially because I have the energy of a 12-year-old. But this is for all of you coffee drinkers. I'm gonna set it down here. There it is right there. We got you that Pinella hat. We got this cool little tumbler for you. It says OXX on it. It'd be cool though if you had something to make the coffee with. Like this. I have one of these. They actually sent me mine out when I got these. This is like the coolest thing, because let me tell you, I don't eat very healthy. I eat top ramen majority of the time, so I have the cup of noodles, and that's normally what I eat at work. But you can make it to where it just does hot water as well. So my cup of noodles that I eat at work, instead of having to use the microwave, I set it under this thing, turn it on, and within seconds I've got hot water in my top ramen. I don't have to wait for a microwave anymore. I have been using the heck out of mine, so I'm super stoked to be able to hook you guys up with this. K-Cups can get kind of expensive, and I don't want you guys to have to go out just before Christmas and buy yourself a bunch of K-Cups. So here is 18 K-Cups from Workhorse Coffee Medium Roast, and then here's 18 more K-Cups from Workhorse Coffee. These are dark and bold dark roast. You guys have 36 cups of coffee right here. Super sweet OXX Beyond Rugged coffee maker. A 24-inch level to where you can check everything for plum as soon as you're done drinking all your coffee. A nice new hat and a brand new tumbler. You're gonna be a whole new person after you get this. No joke though. Even if you're not a carpenter, you can use this. I didn't do these giveaways to where they were one trade specifically. As you guys saw in day 2, Unilight is perfect for electricians, homeowners, anyone that needs lighting in a dark situation. This is perfect for anybody. You can keep it in the shop if you want to, keep it in your garage, take it with you on trips, plug it into an inverter and have coffee on the go, whatever you need to do. We've got you set up. Brand new hat, 24-inch level, not gonna drop that. Tumbler. Workhorse Coffee, 36 cups in total. And then to top it off, your brand new OXX Beyond Rugged coffee maker. This thing's gonna change your job site. I don't care what trade you're in, I don't care what you do. When you have a coffee maker on site that can brew up anything you want, you're set. Fox drinks Starbucks coffee daily. It's an everyday thing. Every day, no matter what. I told him to buy the K-Cups and use it on the coffee maker, but he insists that he go to Starbucks and get it himself. Now I don't know why he's like that, but me personally, If I have this thing, there's no need for a Starbucks. Backstory on these companies really quick. I just realized I kind of opened this when I ripped apart the wrapping paper. SOLA. You guys can find them on Instagram at SOLA Measuring Tools right over there. You guys can click the link for their website in the description and the comments below. This is what we're using on all of our job sites right now. Now the Panella hat is definitely a game changer. A lot of people have been requesting these, so I figured I'd throw a few in. And your OXX coffee maker. You're going to be set up on your job site, in your shop, in your house, whatever you may want to use it for. Huge shout out to them for working with me on this project as well. If you guys want this shipped to your door, you already know how to enter. Hit that subscribe button down below. Click the little bell icon to the right of it to turn on post notifications. Like this video and leave a comment down below. I do have topics in every single comment section. You guys can hop on there and chit chat with me back and forth. Talk to other people, make friends, do whatever you gotta do. I will see you on day 4. Bang on.